Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wanted to text faster, take notes without typing, or just make your life a little easier with your smartphone, then today's video is just for you. We're diving into how you can enable and use the voice input or speech to text feature on your Samsung Galaxy S23. So let's get started. Voice to text on your Samsung Galaxy can really change how you interact with the device, especially when you're on the go. So, first, let's go through how to enable this super handy feature. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy S23 and swipe down from the top of the screen to access your notification shade. Here, tap on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner to dive into your settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down and find the General Management option. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option labeled Keyboard List and Default. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you'll find all the keyboard options available on your device. Look for Samsung Keyboard and tap on it. Step 3. Once you're in the Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down until you see Voice Input Key. Make sure to toggle this option on. With that toggle switched on, you've just enabled the voice option on your keyboard. Now, whenever you're typing a message or entering text, you'll see a little microphone icon on your keyboard. And that's all there is to it. And this wraps up today's tutorial on how to enable and use the voice input feature on your Samsung Galaxy S23.